Okay, the house is super cold now. It's like my wife level of cold, so she's enjoying it, so that's good. And we have the fans running and all this stuff. I'm up late editing videos because of the fact that my video was acting up, and then I couldn't get the parts that are in the middle. Like yesterday, I tried to edit it, but I kept on falling asleep. They were just passing out, and so I couldn't do that. So I'm doing it now. So that's why this video is gonna be kind of late upload, but sorry. But getting it done, so that's good. Thank you for all people that are subscribing and stuff like that, and thanks for watching my videos.
Check out what my wife made me. Maybe do that, give him a better lighting. Check out what my wife got me. Well, she didn't really give me it, but she did give it, but she made it. You see this thing? Look at that. That's amazing. She freehanded this. If you can see here, it's etched in the wood. Like, this whole thing is etched in the wood, and it's of a picture that I drew. But yeah, she did this for me. It's got a nice gloss finish on it. It's all etched in there. That's awesome. That's awesome. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think she should do more stuff like that? Do you want to see me do more projects? Because I was intending on doing more projects, but it's whatever. So just tell me what you think. So that's what I'm doing. I got me some Jolly Rancher icy thing. Got me a pie in a bag. I got me a loaf of pound cake. And I'm gonna watch Star Trek Into Darkness. No, not Into Darkness. Is Into Darkness? The third one. Not the one with Benedict Cumberbatch, but the one after that. Yeah. So, yay! These two knuckleheads. She's got a cone on because she just recently got spaded. It's a good thing to have done when you have dogs or cats, I guess, but it helps them live longer. Is there more of that spiral notebook? Give me that. This guy sleeping with a puppy, you say?
I know, the big scary man's going away.
Oh yeah? You think I'm going away? Huh, buddy?
Dude, your dog poops a lot.
This one.
Where?
Which one?
Behind the chair. Right there.
If you're talking about Medusa, she does.
Ow!
Were you really asleep?
No, I was listening. Oh! Your dog poops too much.
What is his name?
Hmm?
What is his name?
Poseidon.
Poseidon? What kind of dog is he?
I don't know.
Okay. Now we gotta pick off all the fleas from him. Okay? You gotta pick off all the fleas?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all got a new puppy, I
Oh
see.
yeah, I did. Yes. His name is Poseidon.
Oh, you get all the good great things.
I
A boy, a puppy, a journey, an adventure of love, life, and the bond that makes friends forever. A Puppy's Purpose 3. I gotta do a super movie voice. Coming this summer. Coming this summer to a theater near you. There's one boy, one puppy, in a new adventure. What happens with Puppy Mayhem? You gonna be in Puppy Mayhem? You gonna be the action star in Puppy Mayhem?
No.
Oh yeah, brother! You better believe I'm gonna be in that. I'm gonna be whooping up bad guys, cause that's what I do.
Shouldn't he have like more of a kid voice? He's only a puppy.
Yeah, buddy, I'm gonna whoop him up on the face. I'm gonna kick him in the nose. It's gonna come out their booty hole. Yeah, I don't mess with no junk like that. Cause I'm Puppy Power. Oh no, sorry, that's somebody else's line.
Mickey Mouse? What were you?
Mickey, what? That's Scrappy, man. Scrappy Doo of Scooby Doo. He's like Puppy Power.
Yeah, Puppy Power. I remember. Everything there is about the brain. Ruh-roh. Where's Mom? I need to go poop.
And the movie concludes. Mason's got to poop. The after credit scene. Mason's got to poop.
That's the new puppy. Yeah, got a new puppy. And just finished watching Joy and watching the special features now. It was amazing. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. Joy. There's a room. There's a puppy. And there's a little door. And if you go inside that little door, you go inside the head of John Cusack. Being John Cusack, number 2. I'm looking at the... Wait, did I let him out?
Oh, there's a little.
Red. No.
That.
He has no
This one's
hole. I
ours.
don't care.
That one's
He's wrong.
theirs. That one's ours.
Wait, come to
And that
the
one's
plane
theirs.
your
No, wait,
hand.
sorry. This is. Wait, no, that's theirs. I was right.
Wait, get over here!